My name is Eric Dufala. I am a CNC programmer. I started here at Component Repair Technologies in 2019. I worked in a job shop prior to aviation. I was able to relate my skill level and processes into the aviation field. When I come in for the day, I look at the schedule to see what items are on the list. You do not have to maintenance your machines. We have an expediter team that gets your parts for you and brings them to you, your fixturing. They allow you to focus on being a machinist. Some of the machines we have here are manual horizontal mills and manual vertical lathes. There is a horizontal CNC mill along with a variety of CNC vertical mills and vertical lathes. When I started here as a machinist, after learning the parts, I realized that I wanted to grow, and I decided to become a CNC programmer. That's what's nice, is you can find your path and grow and mature. Lots of room for movement here at CRT. We have on-the-job trainers. We have documented processes. You are not on your own. We are side by side, working hands-on to help you be successful. I love the challenge of doing repair work and really getting involved in your process. I think it's a really neat field to be able to work on parts that put people in the air, giving you a sense of pride knowing you worked on something that allows people to fly safely. You know, I actually can look around in the sky and see a plane flying, and I horse around and say stuff like, I think I worked on that one. I found my career destination, come find yours.